Well, speaking of Karnataka, people there would be aware exactly when it comes to the sudden change in the weather and especially when it comes to, unfortunately, people losing their lives. That has now become the main focus. Now, what is being said according to reports that the man unfortunately died after being electrocuted by a live wire in Bengaluru. And this is now coming as a result of the heavy rains that had claimed another life in the city. A man who is said to be aged around 30 to 35 years died after reportedly coming in contact with an electric pole near Mini Forest, which is in the 15th cross under the limits of the JP Nagar police station. The victim has been identified as Raghu, and what the Karnataka Electricity Board officials and the officials from the JP Nagar police station, they are said to have visited the spot and carried out an inspection. And the police are also registering a case against the officials of the GBA, the BESCOM and also BMTC. Further investigation is underway. But as far as this apathy is now concerned, what we are told that the state government has swung into action and it is expected to hold a special meeting at around 3 this afternoon on the rain preparedness, because this is now unfortunately become an annual affair as far as the city, the IT capital of the country is concerned. When it comes to deaths and civic apathy, that seems to be the main focus that is being said would be taken up by the relevant officials when the government holds this meeting. So rain preparedness is something that the government is also talking about. Many of the areas that has been also inspected by the Chief Minister himself, but this seems to be another incident, unfortunately, that has claimed a life of an individual.
Yesterday, there's been a lot of havoc that the city went through. What is the government doing to address these issues, sir?
See, I pray for rain because the heat wave is too high. We all have been preparing for this type of issues. The drinking water is a major concern, and it is the law of nature. So what has happened is unfortunate. It is the Vajpayee's hospital. The hospital was been named after Vajpayee at BJP regime. There is some fault on the wall. They have just put a lot of mud, and they should have taken care of that. So 7 of them died there, was the street vendors, and some from Kerala. So we are seriously looking at, and I've already directed in all such places, no people should do the street vending places. And I've asked all of them to cut the trees in the entire Bangalore. More than hundreds of trees have fallen. Where old branches are there, we want to cut all the branches and see that the safeguard is there. I have instructed the police also to identify all those branches and give to list to the corporation, and all the corporations will timelessly cut. 3 o'clock, myself, my Chief Minister, we all are having a special meeting on this. Okay. We will discuss, we will set the plan of action, and we are committed for the citizens of Bangalore, need not worry. But what to do? This wall has fallen. They tried to stand before the wall, do the shopping, and I think 7 people have injured, died.
Now, one question politically, sir. There's a lot of...
All right. So as far as law of nature, yes, but what was the government actually doing as far as the on-ground preparedness is concerned? At least people shouldn't be losing their lives, because this seems to be another incident as far as one downpour, and there you can see the trail of devastation that seems to have been left behind. Now, what is being said on part of the government? They are preparing to hold this meeting. Neha, the information coming in that the special meeting with the relevant officials and the departments will be held at around 3 p.m.
Well, Amita, that's right. In fact, these weren't regular pre-monsoon showers that the city witnessed. It was something that was probably, of course, not expected, whether by the government, whether by, in fact, the weather experts here. The predictions, in fact, had suggested that there's going to be a heavy downpour in Bengaluru for 3 days starting yesterday. But what the city witnessed yesterday was something that, of course, has left the people of the city in a state of shock. At least about 8 deaths, 7 from a wall collapse, one from an electrocution case that have been reported. And even as the government, of course, now says that all efforts are going to be made before the actual monsoons hit to ensure that the city is better prepared, a question mark that still remains is the need to politicize this entire issue. We've seen how the ruling government and in fact the opposition have locked horns over this
issue. There should be accountability, and that needs to be fixed. People should not be losing their lives, and on that, preparedness is something that we are told that the government will be holding a huddle this afternoon at around 3 p.m. Neha, thank you very much. Keep us updated. Back after a short break. You're watching Times Now.